Let's welcome the characters of the Sassy Queen. First, Luna, the charismatic leader of the group, confident and sassy. Next, Mia, the peacekeeper, always trying to mediate conflict and keep the peace. The third one, Gigi, the drama queen, always causing a scene and stirring up trouble. Four, Sophie, the intellectual, always with witty remarks or a clever wit. Five, Coco, the free spirit, always out for an adventure and never say no to the good time. Scene number one, a trendy coffee shop in Manila. The scenes open with Luna, Mia, Sophia, and Coco sitting at a small table in a bustling coffee shop.
Luna, you're always here for America. Please shouldn't be like this.
Oh, this one. I'm a player to my markets. I'm serving the
I'm dying over you. Luna, your hair looks stunning, but I feel so basic in comparison.
The group continues chatting and laughing, discussing everything from fashion to their love lives. So girls, what's the plan for tonight? Any hot dates?
Oh, I have to take it out. Today I met one last week.
Gigi! Uy, narinig ka. You're going to sleep. That's how we do. Third date goes first.
I like to do forever days after that. Very much love my word.
The group shares a laugh and the scenes end with them drinking their coffee cups together.
Okay, girls, I have to get ready. Make me laugh.
But this evening, let's assume that your date is over.
Don't forget, stay safe. I'll be fine, good. I've got my class papers ready.
I'm so excited tonight. Let's plan the meet at 10 p.m. at the new club.
Sounds like a plan now. Let's start out of before the office. The group gathered there allowing and then prepared to leave. As the group is about to leave, Papa trips at the coffee shop floor and spills the coffee everywhere.
Oh no, not again.